mga kadonat? It's Megan Jayco for another round of Jayco Talks. Natawa si Miss Julia. Yeah. And mga kadonat guys, nandito sina Sir Carlo Aquino and Julia Barreto. Can you please say hi sa ating mga kadonat?
Hi mga kadonat!
Sana may dala kang donut for us.
Yun na nga eh. Kaso
Product
parang you're on a diet na.
No,
diet na.
it's on a diet. Walang information mo.
Ayan, first of all, ano yung favorite donut flavor nyo?
Just a plain honey glazed donut is good enough.
I think,
Sa
no?
ako, cheesecake licious.
Oh my God. Bigla akong nagutom.
I know.
Yeah. By the way, can you tell us your look, guys? Because, grabe, you look amazing. Julia Barreto. Wow. And of course,
Si Juju lagi namang amazing.
di ba? Fashionista, di ba?
Pero
Ganon?
medyo 70s, medyo. Hindi nga masyadong,
Rugged.
dapat mas masikip pa to eh.
Ganon?
Oo.
Ganda lang design.
I like your look and your color as well. Parang ang ganda talaga.
Thank you.
And your hat. Perfect na perfect sa Grand MediaCon ng Hold Me Close. Ayan. First of all, congratulations sa new movie nyo. And it's part of 50th Metro Manila Film Festival. Can you tell us your reaction nung nalaman nyo na parte siya ng MMFF?
God, we were
As
shocked.
in yung reaction nyo?
Yung reaction? I said, what?
Really?
Paano?
Oo, kasi nga yun, katulad ng sinabi namin kanina sa press con, ginawa namin to, wala kaming idea kung saan, kung kailan ipapalabas.
Hindi namin alam na si Damit. Yung parang, yeah, it was a pleasant surprise.
I think it's meant to be talaga, di ba? To be part of,
Christmas siya, gift.
Yeah, oo.
di ba? Hold on to Christmas. And congratulations, di ba? Second team up nyo na ito kasi I've watched the first film, yung Expensive Candy. Grabe din talaga yung team up nyo doon. Napaka-raw. And this time naman, ano yung may offer nyo sa mga fans nyo and sa viewers na this time, ano yung mapapakita ninyo, masishare ninyo this time sa story?
Ako, I'm just grateful na si Direk JP really gives Kaloyan I love stories na it's like odd. It's an odd love story.
Kahit
Malaman eh.
out of the box yung
Oo.
concept niya, pero
Complex,
relatable.
oo. Yeah.
Relatable pa rin kahit na may mga ganun, may mga abilities.
Yeah. Because we watched the full trailer and wow din ako. Parang gusto kong panoorin talaga. Kasi parang there's something, di ba? It's a love story, yes. But
there's more.
yeah, ano yung out of the box na yun na pwede mo panoorin kung mapapanood nyo siya, di ba? And of course, to Julia Barreto, grabe din talaga. You had 3 films. Kumbaga, pangatlo na to, no? And I think sa mga actors ngayon, parang ikaw lang yung nakagawa ng ganun. Like, ikaw parang pipiliin ko, Unbreak My Heart did a great, Unhappy for You did a great job in box office. And now, ito naman, di ba? Ano yung reaction mo?
I'm just super grateful. Syempre, all throughout this year, grateful lang. Minsan nga, it's hard to put into words. Yung gratitude na nag-overflow sa akin ngayon.
It's your year talaga, grabe.
Thank you, pero wag mo naman i-jinx kasi baka...
It's just amazing lang talaga, di ba? Ito naman, describe your film in 3 words. Let's start with Julia.
Kami dalawa na to. Yung
Go.
first,
Team up.
medyo whimsical siya.
Okay, yeah. 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 It
Diba?
is.
Second,
To me, it's really, it's odd. But it's the good kind of odd.
Yes,
It's the odd that makes you curious. It's odd and complex, but very heartwarming pa rin.
Endearing odd.
Endearing odd. Kasi you see, Derek has that magic na he can make the most odd love stories and come out na ang daming malalim pala na pinapahatid si Direk Jason sa pelikula.
Pero pasok.
Oo.
sa puso, sa
Oo. Akala mo ability lang, pero meron siyang sinusubukan na sabihin sa pelikula eh.
That's the magic of Direct JP,
Yes,
di ba?
yes,
Ang ganda-
yes.
Marami akong napanood din niya and
Nice.
amazing din talaga.
Third word, Jason Paul.
Di ba?
That's true.
Siya na yun eh.
Siya yun eh.
Ito naman, describe your co-actors in 3 words. Kaloy to Jul. I like their look.
Sweet.
Okay.
Okay. Grabe yung titigan, guys. Nakakakilig.
Sobrang hardworking.
Yeah, indeed.
And basta beautiful person.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Si Kaloy is, well, brilliant. We all know that.
Yes, definitely.
He's, he's malalim. He's a
Very deep.
deep person. And third is, honest.
Yeah, that's a nice description, di ba? Ito naman, since the title is Hold Me Close, gano'n na ba kayo ka-close?
Yeah, we're close. Ako na Are we close?
Yeah.
Kasi you didn't tell me something important while we were shooting. Everybody knew eh.
Yun na yun.
alam nilang lahat, pero hindi ko sinabi.
Oh my God. And
Alam lang
Sabi ni
nila.
Anton, kunento mo sa kanilang lahat.
Tinanong kasi nila.
How did they know?
Ewan ko.
So we're not close, by the way.
Hindi, close kami. Pero
Yeah.
hindi kasi ako nag-open kung hindi ako tatanong.
Yeah, totoo.
Yes,
yes.
Yeah, oo, totoo.
tama nga
Ano
naman.
ko ba?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Anyway.
Pero close kami.
Yeah, close kami.
Kitang-kita naman, guys, diba? Sa media ka dito naman. Nagbibiroan sila.
MJ!
Ito naman, if given a chance na magkaroon kayo ng movie, separate, like, ayan. Tapos kayo magko-conceptualize. Anong genre, anong specific, like, brief kwento, at sino yung gusto nyo makasama?
Ooh.
Individual.
Sino yung gustong una?
Wow.
Top of mind lang.
Me, I would do any movie. Any kind of movie with Miss Vilma. She's my idol.
Oh my God.
You, kasi we're
Oh my God, like anak na lang, tas version 2.0.
parang nothing beats the original.
Yeah,
Siguro iba na lang. Respect doon.
Grabe.
Ako rin,
Nakikita ko
mami.
pa lang. Pero you work with him
Yes,
na,
pero
her na.
iba na. Hindi na...
Yung bata ba?
father and
Ayan.
son. Parang
Parang,
medyo love story.
oh my
Oh,
God.
Parang
definitely.
lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi parang siya yung tumulong sa akin na magkaroon ng somehow mark sa industry na to.
Tama.
So parang gusto ko ulit maulit. Pero ibang concept naman, ibang...
Ganda no?
Oh my God, that would be Viva Films, i-tag natin. Ayan, di ba? Let's play a game. Gano'n na ba kayo ka-close, di ba? Alam niyo, if ever, alam niyo yung mga serye na, or movie ng isa't isa.
Ang dami masyado.
Tapos, kung sino yung matalo,
Oh shit.
truth or dare. So, any movie ng each other or serye. Tapos,
Yes,
kung
so
sino...
much. It goes way back. I wasn't even born. Joke.
Oh my God.
Totoo. Totoo.
You had a bunch of films as well and ano.
Huwag lang yun ah.
Game.
Ayan, tapos kung sino yung matalo,
Ay.
truth or dare na lang. So, let's start. Let's
Okay,
begin.
game.
Go.
Oh my God. Ah,
Movie or
we're gonna name.
Yeah, you're gonna name movies of each other.
Oh, Vincent, Kath, and James.
Tama.
Grabe, you're putting us in a really awkward ano.
Ikaw na.
Ang dami kasi sa'yo eh. Wait. I'm gonna choose one. Okay, wait. I'll just go with the expensive candy muna. Let's
Okay,
going
okay.
Back, going back.
Ano sabi mo kanina?
Wala.
Unhappy pala. Unhappy feet.
Yes, yes.
It's easier pag more reason.
You can do it.
Meet me in St. Gallen.
Tama, with Bella.
Mirabella.
Oh, sounds
Meron
like.
pa yung ano eh. Yun ba yun? Yung may makeup ka?
Yun nga yun.
Yeah, that's
oo,
it. Yung color.
Taong puno.
Oo, sobrang hirap yung ginawa mo.
Sino na? Si Julian.
Movie na to eh. Oh, A Soldier's Heart.
Sa serye, yeah.
Expensive candy.
Nasabi ko na eh.
Oh my God.
Koke.
Ikaw din, Koke.
Sabi ko na. Sabi ko na. At saka ano ka pa noon? Teenager ka ba noon?
Koke, 9 years old lang ako.
Oh,
nun.
di ba? Oh my God. Oh, ikaw.
Anak.
Mali!
Tanging ano. Hindi.
Bata-bata.
nila.
Oo.
Paano ka ginawa?
Dayang may kakampi. Kakampi ka eh.
Nasaan na ka?
Wala eh, si Baron yun eh.
Baron.
Sorry Kuya Baro.
Okay, truth or
I think
dare?
may natanong na.
Truth na lang.
Kung magkaka-movie tayo, anong gusto mong third,
Kwento or saang
Ayun
bansa.
na, Eternal
Sunshine
Sunshine.
of the Spotless
Ang
Mind.
ganda
Napanood mo
nun.
yun?
Yeah.
Parang
Oh
ganun.
my God.
Try mong burahan yung
Yeah, yung memories with somebody in the past.
Ang ganda nun.
Ganda
And of
nun.
course, mas maganda kung papanoorin natin ang Hold Me Close dito sa Metro Manila Film Festival, starring Julia Barreto, grabe the ever beautiful and napakagaling na actress. And of course, syempre, ang idol natin, Sir Carlo Aquino. Invite our viewers.
Yes po, December 25, Hold Me Close, showing na po kami. Sana po mapanood ninyo kami at ang lahat ng pelikula ng PhilFest.
See you guys, 25th and every day magsi-cinema tour po kaming dalawa ni Kaloy.
Thank you guys.